Are you feeling stressed lately about what's happening in the world? Here are some recommendations to experience a stress-free day. Number 1. Isolate yourself from news about the virus. Everything we need to know, we already know. Number 2. Don't look for additional information on the internet. It would weaken your mental state and could cause somatization. Avoid sending claims and fatalistic messages. Some people don't have the same mental strength as you. Instead of helping, you could activate pathologies such as depression, panic, and feeling of anxiety. Number 3. Listen to music at home at a very pleasant volume. Number 4. Look for board games to entertain children, tell stories, and future plans. At number 5, maintain discipline in the home by washing your hands, putting up a sign or alarm for everyone in the house. Number 6. Your positive mood will help protect your immune system, while negative thoughts have been shown to depress your immune system and make it weak against viruses. Number 7. Most importantly, take time to pray. Firmly believe that this will pass and that the universe and the higher being called God is a universe of love and forgiveness. Stay at home and God bless us all. Thank you.